7 reasons why you should learn Arabic. Are you still undecided about whether or not to learn Arabic? Here are 7 compelling reasons that might convince you to take the plunge. Global influence. Arabic is the 5th most spoken language in the world and is an official language in more than 20 countries. By learning Arabic, you will gain access to a vast and diverse group of people and cultures. Career advancement. Arabic speakers are highly sought after in many industries, such as business, government, diplomacy, intelligence, and journalism. Knowing Arabic can provide you with a competitive edge and open doors to new career opportunities. Travel opportunities. If you love to travel, learning Arabic can enhance your experiences in the Middle East, North Africa, and other Arabic-speaking regions. Being able to communicate with locals in their native language will take you off the beaten path and allow for deeper cultural immersion. Cultural appreciation. Arabic culture is rich in history, art, literature, cuisine, and traditions. Learning Arabic will enable you to delve into the fascinating world of Arabic literature, poetry, calligraphy, and music, giving you an authentic connection to a vibrant and ancient civilization. Being connected to the religion. Learning Arabic also allows us to deepen our connection with Islamic heritage. The Quran and Hadith were revealed and transmitted in Arabic, and many of the great works of Islamic scholarship were written in Arabic. Intellectual stimulation. Arabic is a Semitic language with a unique script and grammar system. Learning Arabic will challenge your cognitive abilities and enhance your linguistic skills. It can sharpen your memory, improve your problem-solving skills, and expand your cultural empathy. Personal growth. Learning a new language such as Arabic is a transformative journey that broadens your horizons and enriches your life. It fosters personal growth, self-confidence, and a sense of accomplishment as you become proficient in a challenging and rewarding language. In summary, learning Arabic offers numerous benefits, from increased global opportunities and career advancement to personal growth and cultural understanding. So why not embark on the exciting adventure of learning Arabic today? Visit www.onlinemadaris.com to learn Arabic online.